Imagine a city that is built on mountains and rivers, where you can experience the ancient and the modern, the spicy and the soothing, the urban and the natural. A city that has a rich history, a vibrant culture, and a stunning scenery. A city that is full of surprises, delights, and inspirations. This city is Chongqing, China. And in this video, we will explore 10 things to do in this amazing city that will make you fall in love with it. But before we start, there is one thing you need to know about Chongqing. It is not for the faint of heart. Chongqing is a city that will challenge you, thrill you, and test your limits. Are you ready to discover the wonders of Chongqing? Then let's go! Number 1. Jifangbei CBD. The first thing to do in Chongqing is to visit the Jifangbei CBD, the heart of the city and the financial center of Western China. Here you can admire the impressive architecture of the skyscrapers, shop at the luxury malls, and enjoy the nightlife at the bars and clubs. The most iconic landmark is the People's Liberation Monument, a 27-meter-high tower that commemorates the victory of the Chinese Communist Party in the Civil War. At night, the CBD is lit up with colorful lights, creating a stunning contrast with the dark river. Number 2. Hongya Cave. Another must-see attraction in Chongqing is the Hongya Cave, a complex of traditional wooden buildings that cling to the cliff along the Jialing River. The Hongya Cave has a history of over 2,300 years and was once a military fortress and a prosperous port for porcelain trade. The Hongya Cave is a great place to experience the local culture, as it houses many shops, restaurants, tea houses, and hotels. You can also enjoy the beautiful views of the river and the city from the balconies and bridges. The Hongya Cave is especially charming at night, when the lanterns and neon signs create a romantic atmosphere. The Hongya Cave is also famous for its resemblance to a building in Spirited Away, a masterpiece of a Japanese animator, Hayao Miyazaki. Number 3. Siku Village. If you want to travel back in time and see what Chongqing was like in the past, you should visit the Siku Village, a historic town that dates back to the 9th century. The village preserves the old-fashioned architecture, customs, and crafts of the Ming and Qing dynasties. You can stroll along the cobblestone streets, browse the souvenir stalls, watch the folk performances, and taste the local snacks. The most famous delicacy is the Siku sticky rice cake, a sweet and chewy treat that is made with glutinous rice and brown sugar. You can also visit the ancient temples, such as the Baolan Temple and the Zhongyi Temple, and admire the exquisite carvings and paintings. Number 2. Hongya Cave. One of the best ways to appreciate the beauty of Chongqing is to take a cruise on the Yankus River, the longest and most scenic river in China. The cruise will take you through the stunning Three Gorges, a natural wonder that features towering cliffs, lush forests, and majestic waterfalls. You will also see the Three Gorges Dam, the largest hydroelectric project in the world, and the Fang Ghost City, a hillside temple complex that is dedicated to the afterlife. The cruise is a relaxing and enjoyable experience that will show you the different aspects of Chongqing. Number 5. Wongcar Geological Park. If you are a nature lover, you should not miss the Wongcar Geological Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases the amazing karst formations of Chongqing. The park covers 9 square kilometers of land and has 3 main attractions: the 3 natural bridges, the Hana Cave, and the Hooping Giant Dau Line. The 3 natural bridges are 3 spectacular limestone arches that span over the valleys, forming natural gateways. The Hana Cave is a magnificent underground palace that is filled with colorful stalactites and stalagmites. The Hooping Giant Dau Line is a huge sinkhole that contains a mysterious forest and a hidden river. Number 6. Dau Rock Carvings. Another UNESCO World Heritage Site in Chongqing is the Dau Rock Carvings, a collection of more than 50,000 Buddhist, Taoist, and Confucian sculptures that date back to the 9th, to 13th centuries. The carvings are spread over 75 sites, but the most famous and impressive one is the Bavingshan site, which features a 500-meter-long cliff with more than 10,000 carvings. The carvings depict various scenes from the religious scriptures, legends, and stories, as well as the daily life of the ancient people. The carvings are remarkable for their artistic quality, diversity, and preservation. Number 7. Yangtze River Cableway. If you are looking for some thrill and excitement, you should try the Yangtze River Cableway, a cable car that crosses the Yangtze River from the Qiushanmen Dock to the Yusong district. The cable car will give you a bird's-eye view of the city and the river, as well as the chance to see the famous Chongqing skyline. The cable car ride is about 5 minutes long and can accommodate up to 30 people in each cabin. The cable car is also a convenient and cheap way to travel between the two sides of the river. Number 8. Hot pot. No trip to Chongqing is complete without trying the hot pot, the signature dish of the city and one of the most popular foods in China. Hot pot is a spicy and flavorful soup that is cooked in a large pot over a fire. You can choose from a variety of ingredients such as meat, seafood, vegetables, tofu, noodles, and more, and dip them into the boiling soup. The soup is usually made with chili peppers, Sichuan peppercorns, garlic, ginger, and other spices, making it very hot and numbing. Hot pot is a great way to warm up in the cold weather and to share a fun and social meal with your friends. Number 9. Hot springs. After a long day of sightseeing and eating, you might want to relax and unwind at one of the many hot springs in Chongqing. The city is blessed with abundant geothermal resources and has more than 100 hot spring resorts that offer various types of pools, baths, and spa treatments. You can soak in the hot water, which is said to have healing and rejuvenating effects, and enjoy the natural scenery and fresh air. Some of the most famous hot spring resorts in Chongqing are the Rongwei Hot Spring, the Bishan Hot Spring, and the Northern Hot Spring Park. Number 10. Pandas. Last but not least, you should not miss the opportunity to see the pandas, the adorable and endangered animals that are the national treasure of China. Chongqing has two places where you can see the pandas, the Chongqing Zoo and the Chongqing Wildlife Park. The Chongqing Zoo has a panda house that is home to more than 10 pandas, as well as other animals such as red pandas, golden monkeys, and tigers. The Chongqing Wildlife Park is a larger and more natural park that has more than 20 pandas, as well as other wildlife such as elephants, giraffes, and lions. You can watch the pandas eat, play, and sleep, and learn more about their conservation and protection. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button below and make sure you subscribe to see our new future videos. Also, please let us know in the comment section what is your favorite place that everyone should visit. Be blessed and thanks for watching.